Hello guys, welcome to Mp3 Tech Solution. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to support our channel. Hit on the subscribe button down there. Hit on the subscribe button, and also please do click on the notification bell so that you can get all our new videos when we upload them on YouTube. Thanks to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always being there to support our channel. We continue to supply you guys with more video. Now let's dive in for the video of the day. Hey guys, welcome to Mp3 Tech. This is another tutorial video. On this video, I want to show you how you can repair, how you can draw a wire on an Mp3 that has a damaged leg. Charging ports 50C. This one is not working anymore. Yes, it's not working. So how you can draw a wire, connect a USB cord on this. So in this tutorial I'll show you how you can use a USB cord to draw this even when you have a damaged leg. So how you can do it. So I'll do the tracing already. So everything here, these are the negative. So you just put one wire here, the negative wire on this very place, then come back to this back of this panel. So you come to the back, look for this very IC. Yes, this very IC. So this is always the power. So you can use your multimeter to test the reading and to see that actually this is the positive line. So just put the positive wire on this. So let's do the jumper. Let's do the connection and see how it's going to be. So just stay tuned, guys. So this is the cable I'm going to be using. Yes, so I just want to coat the mount. As you can see, so let me do the coating and you see it. So I'm going to use my mechanical leg to run the coating. Yes, so I'll be able to solder it neatly on the panel. So let's run the coating. So negative, now turn over to the back side and solder the positive to the IC there that will connect the positive. Hope you are following, guys. Yeah. So that's just it. Alright. So as you can see, guys, you can see very clearly what I did here. And you can see the other side too. Where the neck is, you can see it. Alright, so let's run it and test and see the result of it. So let me just connect to the power bank. So now let's unplug the power bank and see. That is it, guys. See so that is it. So just follow the step closely and you will succeed. So just stay tuned as we process the coupling of the phone and you see the end result of this video. So we have coupled the Mp3 completely. Now let's test and see if it's still working. You see, guys, it's working, right? See?
Enjoy your music.
So drop your comments on the comment section so as to know if it really works for you, and please share this video to other technicians. Thank you for always being there for us. We love you. Mp3 Tech Solution got you. Stay blessed, guys. See you in our next